I need help just like you. So we begin by the start. The reason why you and I have the tendency to say that I may not like this person because of this or that. That's only because there's a little enemy that was lurking there all the time when we didn't see him. My little daughter, 20, Sama mother named Patty. Patty used to babysit this little boy that was 18 months old. One day, that little baby took the bottle that the mama made for him and threw that bottle under the bed violently. The mama said, "What's going on?" "Fanny." She said, "Fanny." "What Fanny?" The little boy wanted Fanny to fix the bottle. Fanny came over in the rain, took the bottle, put the milk in it, the cow milk. Cow milk? You're going to drink cow milk? That's animal, right? But to compound the problem, she should have put sugar in it. She put 2 tablespoons of sugar in that bottle and shake it up. And that little baby took that bottle and he sucked away. Sugar. Glucose. There is nothing in the world, brothers and sisters, that will hurt you like glucose. Glucose have us being enemies of each other now. We didn't eat glucose in the jungle. Now, you see why that black woman that didn't have any clothes on set the bar and raised the standards? Can't you see why? She was never sick. She could never get sick. It was impossible for her to get sick.